Little brother's chasing the vacuum cleaner. Let's give him some help. I see. Miss Collie's watching My Little Pony right now. We're just trying to get the house cleaned up for Mother's Day. And we're having a lot of fun. Collie, what are you up to?
Watching My Little Pony.
You're watching My Little Pony?
What are you doing?
Making a video? You say hi to YouTube? Hi. Watching some My Little Pony? Some old school My Little Pony, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do today?
Nothing.
Nothing? You're just going to chill out and watch TV?
I had to get some blind bags and at the grocery store like I'm done watching this.
Oh, you are? Who's going to take you? Are you going to go by yourself?
Mommy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know we were going today. Silly goober. Do you know what tomorrow is?
What?
Mother's Day. That's where you give Mommy big hugs and tell her that you love her and say, thank you for being my mommy.
I won't be there.
Yes, you will be there. You're the whole reason that I'm having Mother's Day, goober.
No.
If I didn't have you, I wouldn't be a mommy.
You would be not a grandma either.
No, I would definitely not be a grandma either. But you know who all's going to come tomorrow?
What?
Grandma and Grandpa and Nana and Papa and Mimi and Steffi and Kelly and Heaven and who else? Marla and her aunt and Autumn and Michael
Yay!
and Christina and her husband.
Yay!
Yay! I'm excited. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to let you get back to watching My Little Pony, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye.
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 Bye.